Hey guys, Cameron here with Emerson Property Management. Every week I bring you tools, tactics, strategies, lessons I've learned, things that help me build up a sizable rent portfolio in about 2 years. 2 years, not 4. 2. And now manage that portfolio. Guys, today I want to talk about something interesting that I read, I saw on Instagram. It was a guy, his account is called @TheWealthDad. It was very interesting, and it talks about how people create wealth, investors create wealth over time. So I'm going to read it to you real quick. I want to give credit where credit is due. @WealthDad on Instagram, great account. I follow it. He's got some great stuff on there. And here's one of his posts. So, what separates the most successful investors from the average, below average investors, are who can contribute the most money into their accounts on a monthly basis, and then who can do the longest without selling. I'm going to read that one more time. What separates the most successful investors from the average and below average investors are those who can contribute the most money in their accounts on a monthly basis, and then can do the longest without selling. So again, @WealthDad on Instagram, fantastic guy. I don't have any affiliate or anything with him, but I like his stuff a lot. Oop, kick the table. So, what does this mean? What am I talking about? Cameron, this is real estate related, stocks, whatever. This is the same. I don't give a shit if it's stocks, bonds, real estate, whatever. You buy and hold for the long term. Those that buy, whether that's on a monthly basis into stocks or bonds, or on a semi-annual or annual basis into real estate, when you do that over the long term, the longest that you can, with the most amount of money, i.e. the most amount of stocks that you can buy or money you can put in every month, or the most real estate you can buy every year, or every, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 deals a year, then you will have the most money. You will be the wealthiest. Those who don't get wealthy don't invest. They don't buy anything. They want to crunch 10 years of hard work and effort into 1 year and try to bust their ass and do it. And they buy crypto and buy other stupid shit, and you can't win. You get taken for these get rich quick schemes. If your goal is to be rich in a year, stop following me. I'm not going to teach you how to be rich in a year. You've heard the term get rich slowly. That's what real estate is. Everybody thinks it's a get rich quick scheme. It's not. It truly, truly, truly is not. Even with rentals that produce $200 to $300, $400, $500 a month in rent, you still have stuff that comes up. You still have to buy them. You still have to have the money to buy them, even with the no and low money down strategies and all that stuff. So this post made me think how the people that I know that are the wealthiest, just like what he said, have bought property consistently over time. So when you guys, I don't care if your strategy is 100% stocks, 100% real estate. I really don't. Whatever fits you. Some people don't like any real estate. All they don't want to deal with the headaches, and I get it. I totally do. I do share my portfolio up here from, that was just recently. I did an analysis on it. I'm about 2/3 real estate and about 1/3 stocks. But the longer I hold on to this stuff, right now, this is January 2022 at the time of this recording. The market is at all-time highs, or damn near, and everybody, you hear the people, cash out, sell when it's hot. Bitcoin was up to 70,000. Well, that's come down. As long as you ride this out, ride out any bumps and just continue the path, real estate's at all-time highs as well. As long as you hold on to that property and don't, I'm going to sell and capture my 20, 30, 40, 50, $100,000 out of the property, then what are you going to do with that property? Or what are you going to do with that cash? Sell the stocks, sell the real estate. What are you going to do with the cash? What are you going to put it into? You're going to pay taxes on it. Long-term gains if you hold it over a year. Short-term gains if you hold it less than a year. What are you going to do with it? You're going to put it into the stock market you just got out of? You're going to put it in the real estate market that you just got out of? You're going to try to find another deal? You can 1031 it. That's a great strategy. But asset prices are all up. so many real estate investors, so many have said, I wish I would have held on. There are very few people that regret holding on to property. I'm going to say that again. The majority of wealthy people that I know, and the majority of the old school real estate investors, wish they would have held on to their properties a lot more. I'm sure I can say the same with stocks and bonds and everything else, all the other investments. People are trying to capitalize on these big spikes and, oh my God, it's coming down. Well, it's on that long-term trajectory. Over 20, 30 years, it's so much more expensive, and so the investment returns are so vastly great that it just doesn't make sense as to why you would sell if you don't have to, just to capture on a quick blip. So, guys, the reason I wanted to create this, and just to circle everything back, we're at all-time highs damn near in the stock market. We're at all-time highs in real estate. We just came off last year, 2021, where real estate went up across the nation between 15 and 20%. If you're thinking about selling, all I can say is have a plan of what you're going to put it into. I don't know what you would put it into. And then also think about the guys and gals who are in their 50s and 60s, who are sitting on a $10 or $20 million real estate portfolio or a $5 or $10 million stock portfolio. What did they do? They sure as hell didn't try to time the market and buy and sell when the market was high. They rode it out. They bought property. They bought stocks on a monthly, semi-monthly, semi-annually, annual basis, and they held on to it for as long as possible. If you guys want to be rich, if you truly want to be wealthy, continue to invest regardless of what the market's doing, whether that's real estate or stocks, bonds, crypto. Invest on a monthly, some sort of routine, monthly, semi-monthly, semi-annually, annual basis, and do it as long as you can. You will be rich. And I guarantee you guys, if any of you follow that strategy, whatever the amount of money is, as much as you can afford, the more you invest, the more you'll be worth down the road. I think you guys will be pretty surprised by your portfolios. So thanks guys for tuning in. If you like this, subscribe, like, whatever it is. It helps us out. And I'll see you all next week. Thank you.